Good afternoon, everyone. This is Linda Sue with Linda Sue Plants for You. I have a very short video for you today. It's an unboxing of a plant that I wasn't expecting till tomorrow, but I got it early, so I was really happy about that. I ordered this basically because, Peggy from Peggy's Tropical Garden or Plants had a video from this company, and Suzette saw it and she told me about it, and then I watched that same video and I really liked what she had there, so I went on the internet and looked them up, and I saw this plant, and it was as tall. It went up. They had it standing next to a man, and I think it was even over his head or up to his head or something close to that. And I was really shocked at the size of it, so I wanted to get it. And it's from, the name of the company is Equigenera USA Corp. And I'll try to remember to put that in the comments down below in the comment section for you in case you want to look it up. One of these is in, I believe, Ecuador, one of these plants. The other location is Florida. And so it's really important when you look this up to put in USA after it. Otherwise you'll get the wrong location. So, okay, I'm going to open this plant. The box looks to be about 4 feet long. So when the post office lady came, she said, I was already standing there with the front door open, and she handed it to me and said, I was going to try and fit it in the mailbox, but, and then she laughed because obviously it's not going to fit in the mailbox. So, it was harder than I thought. Hopefully I'm not damaging anything in there. There we go. This plant was $62. That included shipping, and I don't think I've ever paid that much for one plant. The name of it is Anthurium longistrorsum, and I'll put that up on the screen too, so you know, in case you want to order this. This is the invoice thing. It was $50 for the plant and $12 for shipping. I just hope I'm not disappointed when I take it out, because like I said, I've never paid that much for a plant, nor would I under normal circumstances, but this was one of those exceptions to my rule. This is really nice packing. I'm going to save that so that if I ever get well enough to where I can drive again and I'm able to start doing plant swaps again with people, I might use this box. So, well, it's The roots are wet. It looks like they're in sphagnum moss. And I'm going to take the box. I thought it might be folded. But I don't think it is. And if it isn't, then it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. But we'll see. So it was wrapped pretty nice and packed pretty nice. Ooh. Wow. Well, it's not as tall as I was expecting it to be, but it is pretty. It's pretty long, and the roots, from what I can see, are healthy. I'll have to take the sphagnum moss off of there. And there's two new leaves coming. You can see that. Now I do see some holes on this leaf, so ooh, it's on two of them actually. I don't see any bugs, but there is some damage. I'm going to get this potted up, and then we'll be able to get a better close-up. I'll be able to put it in a pot and then sit down with my camera and show you a better close-up of it. So I'm going to go do that, and then I'll be back. Okay, and I am back. I had to wait for hubby to get home because I needed him to make me a trellis, if you will, some kind of support, because this plant is not going to stay up by itself. So he did. When he got home from work, he went right out in the garage, and he drilled some holes in this pot for me, and he made this stand, and it's connected to a PVC pipe. Now, normally when he does this, I put cocoa coir or sphagnum moss or something around it, but because I don't have the amount that I need to cover this whole pole, I'm just going to forego that step for now. And at some point when I have to repot this plant, which is probably going to be in the pretty near future, then by then I'll have been able to get to the store and get what I need. I just wanted to show you up close. He took this brown steel plate and he put a long bolt on it that goes up into the pole. I don't know, maybe about an inch, maybe 10 inches. So it's secured in there, and then on the bottom, holding everything together. So that's how he did it, and it works pretty good. It'll hold it up pretty well for me. So I'm going to put you guys on pause while I put this plant in this pot, because I can't do it on the table because the top of this pole hits the ceiling. So it's going to be kind of cumbersome for me. So I'm just going to put you guys on pause, and once I have the plant back in the pot and where it's going to live, then I will come back and show you the finished product. Alright, so stand by. All right, and this is the final chapter. She's safely been repotted, and I had to use the bread tie wires to secure her to the pole because I was not prepared, did not have the things I needed, but that's okay. I can always change that out. But the main thing is she is safe. She's in her soil mixture. I will probably be adding a little more to that later because it looks like it went down a little bit after I watered it, so I might have to do that. But I just want you all to see what we have. What a beautiful, beautiful plant. See if I can show you the size of the leaves. Can you see that? I mean, they're huge. And there are 3 leaves. This one is even bigger, I believe. The one in the back. And we have 2 new shoots coming up. One here and one here. I'm a little confused about the color of those though. This one is dark and this one is light, and they both look very healthy and they feel moist. I think they're okay. So I guess time will tell. The leaves, the little bit of damage that I did see to the leaves, honestly I don't think that's anything more than you know, the normal damage you get when you ship things. These leaves don't take much. You can see this little hole right here, and to me that looks identical to a hole that I put in my one of the leaves on my fiddly fig. When I was washing the leaves, my nail went through part of it and it looked just like that. So it doesn't look like any kind of pest problem to me. I didn't see anything on the backs of the leaves. They look pretty good. And honestly, you know, whenever I get something in the mail, which isn't often, usually I kind of resign myself to the fact that once they get here, the chances of the original leaves surviving are probably slim to none because we don't have the greenhouse effect going on. So we'll see what happens. I don't want to jinx it, and I'm hoping that they'll stay on there, but like I said, if they don't, I'm very encouraged by the fact that it's got the new shoots coming out through the bottom. The soil mixture that I use is potting mix, perlite, wet sphagnum moss, and orchid bark. And so it's a very light, airy mixture. So that's it, folks. I will put the name, this is an Anthurium, in case I didn't already say that, and I'm going to put the botanical name in the description box and the name of the company that I ordered this from, just in case you are interested. Okay, well that's going to be it for me for today, and I hope to bring you another unboxing video before the end of the week. Today is Wednesday, maybe by Friday. I have a big, well, it's a big for me. I've got 5 plants coming that I ordered from Steve's Leaves, and I'm anxious to get those as well. So come back for that, and in the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day, the rest of your day. Thank you for coming. Bye now.